The glorious view from Fort St Angelo in Malta. The most strategic fort in the history of Malta, situated at the mouth of the Grand Harbour of Malta. This peninsula in front of me is known as the Three Cities. And here in front is the capital city, Valletta. I saw this Norwegian cruise ship docking when I came into the fort. The cruise ship docked alongside Valletta. There on the opposite side is Valletta, the capital of Malta. Malta, most importantly Valletta, was one of the most bombed locales during the Second World War. What a beautiful harbor. This is the peak of the fort, the highest point of the fort, giving the best view of the Grand Harbour and its vital locales.